Welcome to Baby Led Weaning recipe. Today we have a special recipe for your little one. We are going to make a delicious and nutritious carrot pasta sauce that's perfect for your babies. Straight to the cooking. We'll start by peeling and chopping the carrots into small pieces. Carrots are a great source of vitamins and fiber, and they are naturally sweet, making them perfect for baby food. Chop a half onion and keep aside. I have taken 1½ cup of pasta. In a pot, add 3 cups of water and few drops of oil. Once the water boils, add in the pasta, let it cook. In the meantime, take another pan, saute the garlic and onions in some olive oil over medium heat until the onion is translucent. Now add the carrot. Let the carrots get cooked until they are soft. Now add 1 chopped tomato. We'll saute them all together for a few more minutes. Now the mixture gets cool and transfer to a blender or food processor to puree it into a smooth sauce. Let's check the pasta. Make sure it is cooked properly. Drain the excess water, but you can save the pasta water for future use. If the sauce gets thickened, you can add this water. We can transfer the sauce back to the pot to heat it up. Next, we'll add 1 cup of vegetable broth. The broth will help to make our sauce smooth and creamy. Now, let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes until all the flavors melt together. Now add our cooked pasta. You can crush some kasuri methi for garnishing. It gives an excellent flavor and perfectly complements the sweetness of the carrots. Before serving, make sure the pasta is in room temperature. And here is the final product. Carrot pasta sauce is ready for your little one. It's a great way to introduce your baby to new flavors and textures, and it's so easy to make it at home. Share this channel to new parents who are curious about baby-led weaning to make mealtime a fun and nutritious experience for their babies and toddlers. I hope you try this recipe at home and your baby loves it too. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.